welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm CUTICLE 18 and I love nails, point blank period. That's my happy space. That's what I love to do, and that's what my channel's about. So don't forget to please subscribe if you want to join the rest of the kitties in this beautiful nail community that we have created. We discuss nails, we talk, we help each other. It is a safe space and a happy space for all my nail enthusiasts, nail techs, nail artists, whatever you want to call yourselves. This is the place to be. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how I did my nail ambassador's nails. And yes, I said nail ambassador. Like, what does that mean? I'm going to tell you. Just stay tuned. So what I did is I put out a promotion on my Instagram, which is CUTICLE 18. So if you're not following me, go follow me right now, please. Anyway, I put out a promotion on my Instagram asking for nail ambassadors. So what that basically means is I set out looking for a new clientele, and this was the great way to do it. I offer them a discounted price to do beautiful nail art, and they come every 2 weeks, and it's for a limited time, so it's only for a few months. They get this special offer, and all my nail ambassadors get a set price no matter what nail or length I do. But it allows me to do some bomb nails and get my practice and trying new nail art and, you know, hand-drawn art, things like that. And it allows for my clients to also go home with some really dope nails for like a not decent price, but like a cheap price. Okay, so yeah, that's what I did, and I got such an awesome feedback, and I got to meet so many beautiful women inside and out, and I love that I did this. So this is my first nail ambassador set that I did, and yeah, I'll go through my steps. Well, I use a cuticle remover just to soften up her cuticles, and then I pushed it back with my Navy Tools Ethel cuticle pusher. And now I'm going in with my like drill bit, my cuticle drill bit, which is what I use to really get all that dead skin off the nail plate. When you do this, this allows for a better adhesion for your acrylic. So make sure you're getting those cuticles nice and clean. Then I'm going in with my 240 grit sanding pen. This is from PANA, and I will leave the links in the description box below for you guys. And all I'm doing is I'm getting off the shine off the nails. That's all I'm doing. That's all you should be doing. We do not want to over file clients' nails. It causes a lot of damage. Okay, now I'm using that same bit. I applied the tips, and I'm using the same bit to blend in the nail tips. Now the part of the video for me applying the nail tips kind of got messed up because the table was shaking because we were talking and laughing, and yeah, it was really bad. But you will be seeing how I apply nail tips in other videos because I have a bunch of nail ambassador videos coming up for you guys. Okay, so now I'm just sizing them, cutting them down to size, and I'm shaping, getting to a nice little tapered square kind of shape, which my client actually, she really liked. So this is what I'm using here. Now I use a metal file, and the pads are removable, and I can disinfect and sanitize the metal file. I used to use the regular files, and I would just throw them out after every client, but I kind of like this method now, so that's what I've been using. I will leave it linked where I bought that file from in the description box below. Now I'm going in with some Mia's Secret primer, and I'm doing 2 coats of that on the natural nail. I always prime. I dehydrate. I think I skipped the step where I showed you how I dehydrated, but what I used was my Lisette Gel Nails dehydrator. It is my must-have. It is my go-to for a dehydrator now. So yeah, I will definitely leave Lisette's dehydrator linked in the description box below. So I usually put the dehydrator on, I will apply the tips, then I put the dehydrator on again, and then I put the primer. That's usually my steps for my clients especially. So what you see me doing is applying a clear base with some Mia's Secret acrylic. I do this because I wasn't sure what I was going to do yet, but I decided to do just a Mia's Secret Cover Pink as the base color for the designs, and then I would build up the design not with acrylic but with gel and like nail art and stickers and things like that. So I would say I always put a clear base down. Always. You don't have to necessarily, but I like doing it because let's just say my client comes in her next set, she wants something like a little see-through. I don't have to necessarily do a soak off. I just file down to that clear base, right? So that's pretty much why I do it. So yeah, we're going in with the Mia Secret Cover Pink, and I'm just building up my nail, my apex, my nail structure, things like that, cleaning up my cuticle area, just to make sure that my nails will be good and stay on and be strong for the client, because she's not coming back for another 2 to 3 weeks. This nail ambassador, lovely girl, she drove all the way from Far Rockaway, and I am in New Jersey. So Far Rockaway is in New York and I'm in New Jersey, but it's a little drive. It's a little bit of drive, I'll tell you that. And I appreciate her so much for doing that. Okay, she drove on a Saturday in the midst of traffic, everything, just so she could be my nail ambassador, okay? And I appreciate her so much, okay? Really do. So yeah, it was only fitting that I made my first nail ambassador video her nails, because I just love that she did that. Anyway, I'm not building up the nail too thick. I'm keeping it, I don't want to say thin, but I'm keeping it at a good thickness, because I will be adding designs in gel. And as we know, if I apply too much acrylic and the nail was super thick, then I add gel, then you add top coat, the nail will look a little clunky, and that's not the look we're trying to achieve, you know? So I was very mindful. I'm very mindful of that in general. It depends on what design I'm doing. That depends on how much acrylic I'm going to use, you know? If I was doing a simple ombre, I would build up the nail as I need to, and then cover, secure the ombre by putting the clear acrylic on top, you know, because I'm not going to put anything else on that besides clear gel top coat. But because I'm doing designs in gel and the whole 9 yards, I was very mindful of how I built my nail up. So that's another thing you can also like keep in mind. And you guys can leave your comments down below. How do you go about doing the nails when you're doing hand-drawn art or things like that? What are your methods? That would be great. Like I said before, my nail channel is a community. We love to learn from each other and help each other out, which I love. So here I'm just going around the cuticle with my drill bit here. I'll leave it linked. I believe it's from PANA. I will leave it linked in the description box below. I'm sealing that cuticle because we want our clients' nails to last. We want them to last. Or even our own nails. Hello. We want them to last. We don't want greenies. We don't want any of that. So we have to seal those cuticles really well. Now, these stickers, baby, listen. I got them from Shein, and like I said, did I say it already? No, I'll say it again. I'll say it right now. My next video is going to be a Shein haul. Massive haul. Massive haul. This is one of the stickers from my Shein haul. And the adhesion on these stickers is so good. It's so good. I went to pick up the sticker to move my placement, after I pressed down, and it ripped. Because it didn't want to go anywhere. It don't move. It didn't want to move. And I was kind of shocked at the kind of quality, but I'm kind of happy. So I will be going back to Shein for way more items, because yeah, the nail sticker for these particular stickers, I would say, was so super good. Good. Kudos to you, Shein, and kudos for having a good price point. Now, I will say, and this is directed to Shein, please do not start raising your prices because all of us beautiful nail techs and nail artists and nail enthusiasts are going to your site to buy items. That's not nice, because I know companies that do that. A lot of companies do that. Don't do it, Shein, please. Let's be budget conscious for all of us, please. Anyway, back to the video. I am doing a French with gel. I love doing the French with gel. I don't always like doing the French with acrylic. It just takes long for me. But I'll work on it, kitties. I promise I will. Matter of fact, leave me some tips down below. I never act like I'm perfect at nails. No, I'm not. It's a learning curve every day for me. So if you have any tips on doing French tips with acrylic, let me know. Because when I do it with acrylic, it takes like 20 years and then some. So if you have any good tips or tricks for me, and share with the group, please. That would be wonderful, because I know for me personally it takes forever. That's why I like doing it with the gel, and that's what I did. So the colors we were using, we were going very like purple and blue. I added some gold, as you saw in the beginning, and you'll see at the end some golds and stones, and it was just gorgeous. So here I'm applying some, I believe it's Macart nail glue. Now, I do have another issue with foil. I sometimes really suck with foil. I can't get a full adhesion. the intent was to get the whole nail covered, but maybe I'm just not doing it good, or maybe my Macart nail foil glue is kind of old. I gotta see when it's the expiration date, because that could be it too. It could be that I'm just not, my product is just not as strong as it used to be because I've had it for a little bit. So maybe that could be it. But you guys, please give me some tips and tricks, please, because I have so many beautiful foils. Now, don't get me wrong, having it come out like that wasn't bad. It actually was kind of cute, but I would have preferred it to have been a full nail of the foil, you know what I mean? So yeah, just let me know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'm not, I don't know. Maybe my process is wrong. Maybe my Macart nail foil glue is just not good anymore. I don't know. But help us this out. Let's help each other out. That's why I love my community. We always help each other out. So you see me going in on the French tips with some gold foil. I believe it was a beautiful accent. My client loved it. She loved it. I think it's cute. I think you can't go wrong with gold foil as a little, little pizzazz. We throw a little salt on it. Gives a little bit more extra flavor. That's what gold foil does for me. On the thumbnails, I wasn't sure what to do, so I just put some blooming gel from Me a Secret. And I just incorporated the blue and the purple color again. Now, the gel polish I was using, I don't think I mentioned, it's from DND. Like I said, I will leave everything linked in the description box below. Anything I got from Shein will be in my next video, because like I said, I have a huge haul coming. My iPhone has been sucking lately. I do everything on my iPhone. I have an iPhone 12. I record and I edit on my iPhone. And I have the Shein haul. I've been trying to edit it for a week. And iPhone has just been giving me issues. Okay? Apple, I need you to not mess up the phones when you come out with new phones. It's not fair to us, please. Anyway, I will get that Shein haul up. Okay? Come what may. So any item that I purchased from Shein in this video will be in the next video. Okay, kitty. So that's pretty much all I did. I did some blooming gel action here. I added some stones, which of course your girl had to add because it's me and I love stone. Rhinestones, Swarovski, which I don't think they're using Swarovski anymore, but whatever. I get all my stones from everywhere. But yeah, you're gonna see me place a really big stone on the that middle finger. And you'll see me place a dollop of my gel glue that I get from Extreme Plus from Sam's Nail Supply. And once I get a dollop on, I'll place the stone on, and then I kind of sink it in so that it kind of gets real flush and encircles the stone, if you know what I mean. That way you get a real good adhesion to your big stones. Then we top coat. I think I used my Madam Glam top coat, and yeah, that's it. That's the final look. I think they came out so great. I'm so appreciative to my nail ambassador that came through. I really do believe that having opened up myself to this nail ambassador idea, and it brought in so many great people, so many great new clients, and it allows me some creative freedom, and they get to leave with some bomb nails. So that's a good idea for you guys if you want to, get some new clients in the door. Try this out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone. Stay safe, stay prayed up. See you next time. Bye, kitties.